All right, so here's what I did. I plugged in one of these into here, cut off the top. I got this little plug here that used to be for the hose. This is going to be for that. And then I will have this wired in for a 2.1 inch plug that, since this part will go here, say this is plugged in, I'll be able to plug this in right here. Sorry, about right here with slack. So if it's moving back and forth or, you know, side to side, it'll have room. So that'll be able to plug right in here and it won't come out because it'll be plugged in. So this will plug into the lawnmower of the power switch. That'll turn it on, which will turn on the motor, which will come through here, come through here, come through here, filter out, come around, and spit out right here. Push it to the limit. Now, I'm gonna go to, it's gonna be 20 inches apart, 24 inches wide. I'm gonna pull this out, take this off, get some of the L bracket iron or whatever you want to call it, angle iron, that's going to be mounted with these on here, and it's going to come up, and then this will be more, yeah, it'll look good. All right, so 20 inches is basically wheel to wheel. So there'll be one here and one here, and spraying down, and it'll be a good coverage. So that'll look good. More coverage, and I won't have to spray as much or make as many passes. System's not done completely, but what we got here is we have a 3/8 going in, 1/2 inch coming out. From here, the 3/8 is gonna be swapped out, but for right now, it's gonna be there. Comes around, goes through the filter, up, around, and splits out, comes around, hits this. They're 20 inches apart, 24 inch pipe, whole hole, cut a pipe, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie, and this is good to go. Good for right now. I didn't want this heavy pipe, so I got this, got angle iron, aluminum, angle, whatever you want to call it. It's good.